Hi everyone, I'm Robert.
Hi, this is Alicia.
And this is the end of our winter session B, level 2, class 5.
Yeah, and this is a session that is been about 4 8 count and 6 count, but in this class we did something a little bit different, but that goes along with the topic, and it's called 4 counts, turns.
So usually when you're doing your 6 count and 8 count, a lot of the moves overlap, but it gets tricky if you want to switch from 6 to 8 and stay on track with the phrasing of the song. Okay, so we did a couple 4 count turns. So they kind of emulated a couple follow turns. So they're based on in open, the rock step, a triple 1, triple 2, or in closed, a 6 count tuck turn. Rock step, a triple 1, triple 2. Okay. So we started by the part that's being condensed from 4 counts to 2 is the first 4. So the rock step and triple step. So that basically turns into bop, bop. Okay? And as a lead, the main thing that I want to do is I want to kind of prep for this beforehand. So I'm kind of getting ready, and then I'm tightening my frame, which is like how much you flex, so that by making tiny movements, Alicia can feel it really clearly, right?
That's right. And follows for that, as soon as we feel that tightening, we really have to be ready and give some tension to our arms. Otherwise, this move is not going to work.
Yeah. So the only part we're compressing is the first 4. And the turn is the same. So you can see a rock step, a triple step, and then triple turn.
That's right. That would be the 6 count version.
And the 4 count is the same. It's just 1, 2, triple turn. Yeah?
That's right.
And then
I would like to talk about how we follows fake the turn, right? So this right, left is what is initiating us and giving us the momentum to turn. But at the end, we are pivoting, using our right foot and going around it with the left. Okay?
so it looks like 1, 2, triple step.
That's right.
Yeah.
So we triple with our left all the time, okay? Yeah. Around our right. And that's kind of the trick.
Yep, exactly. We talked about the same kind of thing in closed, right? So it's the same part that you're compressing. So your normal 6 count version is 1, 2, triple compress, triple turn, right? The 4 count, the 1, 2, triple compress, is what is being adjusted. So instead of 1, 2, 3, 4, it's 1, 2. And instead of stepping, it's kind of a boop, boop, we're just pivoting, right?
That's right.
So after that much, the triple turn is the same. So you have a step, a triple step, and then 1, 2, triple turn, boop.
And same deal here follows. We use our right foot to turn around, and using our left to kind of impulse ourselves and go around our axis. And pretty much by the end of the move, we will be facing our partner in open position.
Exactly. And trick to this is to keeping a tighter frame. So I'm not shoving Alicia through, but I'm just being stronger and moving less.
Right, so keep some tension follows for that.
Exactly. And then to end up, we talked about timing. So if you want to get into your 8 count phrasing, 2 6 counts and 1 4 count is the same as 2 8 counts.
That's right.
And so if you want to switch to 8 count, just get your 2 6 count basics in and then a 4 count, and you'll line up with the music perfectly, which looks like this.
Yes.
So you have a 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16.
And you're ready for an 8 count.
Yeah, so 16 out of 32 counts. It works in closed too. Let's do it this way. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16.
I'm ready for a swing out.
Yeah, exactly.
That's all that we did.
So next week we have our History of Lindy Hop workshop, and then the week after that we're going to do our spring session kickoff.
Please be here.
Yep, we'll see ya.
Bye.
Bye.